Hello everyone. I am Dr. Mahantesh Swami, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Jevargi, Karnataka. In this video, I am going to discuss about Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics was first founded by His Holiness Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj about 50 years ago in his one of the most important monumental work, which is now in the form of a book, Vedic mathematics. So what actually Vedic mathematics is? Vedic mathematics is world's fastest mental math system. It is consisting of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras. Vedic mathematics is useful in academics, particularly in solving arithmetic, algebraic, and trigonometric problems. Vedic mathematics makes maths funny. So therefore, if we teach our kids some of the techniques of Vedic mathematics, some of the tricks of Vedic mathematics, really they will enjoy learning mathematics with a great fun. So in this video, I will explain you one simple technique of Vedic mathematics, that is multiplication of a given number, particularly with 11. So let us consider multiplication of 32 with 11. Our traditional way of multiplication involves two steps. But in this multiplication, that is according to Vedic mathematics, here there are two steps, and in this case, we are not going to use any multiplication. We are going to write the answer directly, instantaneously and accurately. And how it is possible, let us discuss. So what is to be done in the first step? Keep the last two digits as they are. That is 3 is the first digit, 2 is the last digit, keeping them as they are in the first step. In the second step, in between 3 and 2, write their sum. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. You write that 5 in between 3 and 2, which we have written in the step number 1. So now the answer is 352, which is the product of 32 and 11. So this is a simple technique which has given us the product of 32 and 11. Let us consider one more example, that is 45 into 11. Yes, what is the answer? What is to be done? Keep the first digit 4 and the last digit 5 as they are, and then add their sum, that is 9, in between 4 and 5. So the answer will be 495. Let us see. So answer is 495. You can use your calculator and you can check the answer, and we have not at all multiplied in this case, we have written the answer directly. Now if we consider the second example, that is 75 into 11, answer is keeping the 7 and the last digit 5 as they are. We have to write the sum of 7 and 5, that is 12, in between. So now here 1 is the carry that is to be added to 7. So the answer is 825, that is the product of 75 and 11. So in this way, we can use this simple technique of multiplying any given number with 11. It is not necessary that we should have 2-digit number. Let us check with the 4-digit number which is multiplied with 11. So in this case, you see 1234 is to be multiplied with 11. According to Vedic mathematics, what is to be done? In the first step, we have to keep the first and last digits as they are. First digit is 1, last digit is 4. Let us keep them as they are. In the second step, let us multiply 1 and 2. The sum is 3, write it after 1. So it is 1, 3, we have written. Now in the second step, let us multiply 2 and 3. The sum is 5, let us write it down next to 3, that is here. Then at the end, let us multiply 3 and 4, answer is 7, keep it at the end. So answer is 13,574. So this is how one can multiply any given number with 11. So here we are not at all multiplying, we are writing the answer directly. So in this way, we can use the principle of multiplication of a given number with 11, which is displayed over here, for multiplying any given number with 11. So this simple technique gives us the answer instantaneously and accurately. So this is one simple technique I have shared with you. There are number of such techniques of doing arithmetic calculations in Vedic mathematics. So please look at such techniques and enjoy mathematics. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very